turn your engine off. Pull on the bonnet release handle and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, the red one, with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electrical network of your car. Unscrew the nut on the minus terminal using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket. No need to remove it completely. Finally, remove the terminal. Then do the same with the nut on the positive terminal and release it. Using a socket wrench, a long extender and a 30mm socket, you must now release the plate that holds the battery in place. Completely unscrew the nut, but don't try to take it off the plate. Leave it where it is. Extract the battery from its housing. Don't forget to remove the acid fumes tube beforehand if the battery is equipped with one. Totally remove the holding plate to be able to put it back in place more easily with the new battery. Put the new battery in place and connect the acid fumes outlet tube. Then reposition it correctly in its housing. Putting the battery in place can be a little tricky, so you need to stay focused. Rest assured, we have just the tip to make it that little bit easier. Take a piece of paper towel and fold it in fours. Lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. Magic! It holds all by itself. By only using the extension, you will be able to screw the holding plate back in place. As usual, start by hand. And for the final turns to tighten the screws, insert a wrench into the extension, lock it, and remove the paper towel. If you notice a slight layer of white oxidation on the terminals, take it off using sandpaper or a wire brush. This is important as it could alter the contact between the terminals and the battery and ultimately result in disruptive breakdowns. Reassemble the positive terminal. During reassembly, ensure that the terminal is fully in place. To do this, use your free hand to push it in flat. Repeat the operation on the negative terminal. Operation completed.